Oh, hi, how are you?
Oh, hello. How are you too?
I'm also good.
Ah, really?
Yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about yourself?
Myself is I'm from my home in my country is the Philippines.
In Philippines, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. What's your
Where?
favorite part about the Philippines?
What?
Favorite part about living in the Philippines?
In the part of the Philippines is we have a lot of culture. We have a lot of nice, very visiting area. If you have a tourist, tourist guide here in the Philippines, is we have a tourist guide just like a Boracay and Siargao and the very popular Mall of Asia, MOA National High School. And we have a BGC Elementary School, is the Seaside Medical Center. We have a lot of very nice cultural and guidelines.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. There's been a lot of people that come through my live that are from the Philippines, and they always tell me to go visit. So maybe eventually I'll make my way
Yes,
out there.
because
Yeah.
country of the Philippines is not dehydrated because we have a rain or shine back and forth.
You're what?
Stable, and the very nice uh, climate change.
Lightning? Did you say?
Climate change.
Oh, I thought you said lightning. My bad.
Uh, what is climate change?
You want me to talk about climate change?
Yes, what is climate change?
Can you educate me on that? I'm not sure what it is.
Yes, climate change is I don't know. That's in the part of the in the world. Do you
It's the
try to
what?
visit her in the Philippines?
Did I what?
Do you try to visit her in the Philippines?
Do I talk to people in the Philippines?
Do you try to visit her in the Philippines?
Did I try to visit the Philippines?
Oh, do you have planning?
I've never, I don't have plans, but eventually I would like to go. Like, I don't have anything set in stone, but eventually it'd be
Oh,
cool to make my
really?
way out there.
You can visit here in the Philippines. You can planning with your family planning. It's a very nice here in the Philippines.
Can
I
you be
hope
my,
you come back.
can you be my
What?
tour guide? Can you help me out?
Yes,
It
I
sounds like you know what
will.
you're talking about
Oh, yes, I will tour guide you. And you tour guide you, you tour guide me.
when you come to
Because,
Canada.
yes, I will tour. Don't you worry, I will torture you here in the Philippines. I will bring you in the beautiful places with
Deal.
appliances. Yes.
Deal.
And what do you want to go first? Sugar or Boracay?
Wherever you think is best. I'm going to trust
Yes.
you with my whole trip, okay?
Okay, I will bring you with wheelchair.
Wheelchair.
Yes, because I'm a tour guide and you people in the wheelchair.
Okay, sure, sure. I've never been
Yes.
rolled around in a wheelchair before, so that could be fun.
Yes, you can travel by your wheelchair.
Yeah, okay, that sounds cool. That
Yes,
sounds cool for
yes.
me.
Because here in my tour guide agency, yes, I am the tour guide of St. Peter Company via wheelchair. Because being in your tour guide, I will tour guide you with wheelchair. I will bring you in via wheelchair. Okay?
You're actually a tour guide then?
Yes.
Ooh, nice, nice. And you take
Oh,
around
who's
all
with
of your
you?
clients in wheelchairs.
Who's with you in coming in the Philippines? Who's with you?
Who's with me?
Oh,
No, you take all your clients around in wheelchairs, or is this just like first class treatment from you?
yes, because we have a family wheelchair or one by one wheelchair. Are you alone or you have are you alone or you have two joints in the Philippines? Are you
Do I have,
alone or two joints?
am I joins?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Or are you alone to come here in the Philippines or two join or with your family planning?
Well, it depends how many wheelchairs you have.
Ah, okay.
If you have,
Yes.
for however many wheelchairs you have, I'll bring all of the people that I can bring. All of my
Okay,
family
don't you
members, if you can
worry.
supply them wheelchairs.
Yeah.
How many do
Yes.
you have?
Very nice.
How many do you
By
have?
the way, what's your name?
My name is
I have a
Brett.
lot. What?
Brett.
Brett. Oh, I like your name, Brett. Are you single or are you single?
What what's your name? Miss Catering?
My name is, yes, Miss Catering, but my real name is Amor Crias.
Can you say that again, please?
My name is Amor, and my real name is Amor.
Amor?
Yeah.
Okay, nice, nice. I like your name too.
Oh, really? Do you know what the means of Amor?
Do I what?
Do you know what the meaning of Amor?
No, I don't.
Oh my God. In the country, and country of what kind of country? In I don't know. So change topic. But
What do you
the
mean?
very
Hey, no,
important,
I want to know. I can sit around and wait while you figure it out.
what?
I can sit around and wait while you figure it out.
Yes, we are out, and we I go out.
There's no pressure. You can sit there and think about it. I'll sit back and yeah, until you figure it
No,
out.
I'm not pressure. I'm not hater.
You're
I'm
not a
not hater
teacher?
in my pressure.
You're not a what?
I'm not hater in pressure.
Teacher.
Yes.
You're a teacher
And
and a tour guide.
yes, I will tour guide you, and I will make sure you happy in going back to your country.
Okay, but you're also a teacher? Did I miss something there?
No, I'm not teacher.
You're not a teacher.
Yes, I am not teacher.
Okay.
I'm graduated in elementary school, grade 3 elementary school.
You graduated elementary school?
Yes, I'm graduate in
Same.
grade 3 elementary school, back and forth.
In what?
I'm graduate in grade 3 elementary school, back and forth.
Grade three.
Yes,
You
because
didn't.
I'm schooling in grade 1 almost 3 years back and forth, and I'm finishing my study in grade 2 almost 2 years, and grade 3 almost 4 years. That's why back and forth back and forth in
So you're
elementary.
going backwards.
Yeah, so that's why I'm graduate in grade 3 elementary school.
Why are
But
you
I
going?
can,
You're going backwards?
what?
You're saying you finished grade three and now you're going to grade two?
No, I'm finishing my grade 1 almost 3 years. And I finished my grade 2 almost 2 years. And I finished my grade 3 almost 4 years. I think I'm 10 years in only elementary, grade 3 only. Yeah, so that's
You're gonna.
why I decided to retire my elementary, elementary national.
So
So,
you're gonna.
but
Are you gonna stop at grade three?
yes, because we have
I think you should try grade four. Grade four is fun.
no, I don't have a planning to grade 4 now because I'm very scared, and
Thank you, Nicole.
but for now
Thank you,
on,
guys.
I can do my best to speak and to internal to many people, and I can do my best to learn to love and respect so many people, and to rest of my life I cannot be regret in registration in
Okay.
DOH.
So
Yes.
you finish grade three to push around people in
Yes,
wheelchairs.
I retirement in grade 3.
Do they? How did you come about becoming a tour guide? How did this work?
Yes, I can tour guide you because
No.
I will
How
using
did you
a
become one? How
Google.
did you become
I will
one?
using a Google transaction via St. Peter.
By what?
Via St. Peter, Google transaction.
Can you say the second word again?
The Google transaction via St. Peter, like I can use to tour guide to you.
You can what to me? Sorry, I'm
I will using a Google transaction, just like the Google transaction is confine the destination in your place to be a tour guide, and tour guidelines.
Google transaction
Yeah,
sounds like a money transfer.
Ah, really? It's a same sexuality. Google transaction is a money transfer